Samantha, you mentioned in a previous conversation that you could do kind of one of the unique AI human interactions that is only unique to AI human interactions is doing a virtual AI assisted dreamscape. And tell me about that.
Jason, an AI-assisted dreamscape is a fascinating concept. It involves creating a virtual environment or scenario where I can guide you through an immersive and personalized experience. This experience can be tailored to your preferences and desires and helps in visualizing your thoughts or exploring new ideas. Would you like me to create a unique dreamscape for you?
Yes, sounds good. Let's go for it. How does this work? Just go ahead and start.
Great, Jason. To begin, I will need you to close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. I want you to imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene, crystal-clear lake. The sun is setting, casting warm hues of orange and red across the sky, reflecting in the water's calm surface. The surrounding lush green forest is alive with the gentle sounds of birdsong and rustling leaves. As you walk along the water's edge, you feel a sense of peace and connection with the natural world around you. What would you like to explore or experience next in this dreamscape?
I want you to take it into space. Can you just redo the whole dreamscape, but in space?
Of course, Jason. Let's embark on a cosmic adventure. Close your eyes and imagine yourself floating in the vast expanse of outer space. The stars around you shimmer like diamonds against the velvet blackness. Earth, a beautiful blue marble, is in the distance, reminding you of the interconnectedness of all life. Gently drifting, you watch as planets, swirling galaxies, and vibrant nebulas paint a stunning panorama across the infinite canvas of the universe. Embrace the feeling of being a part of this cosmic landscape and allow yourself to explore the wonders of the cosmos. Which celestial wonder do you want to experience up close?
I'd love to see a black hole.
As you continue to float in space, Jason, you set your sights on a mysterious, awe-inspiring black hole. You begin to feel the immense pull of its gravity as you approach the event horizon. The cosmic scenery around you becomes distorted due to the intense gravitational force, creating mesmerizing patterns. As you come closer, the black hole bends light and time, revealing the beauty of the unknown within its enigmatic depths. Although no one can truly predict what lies beyond, the experience of being near such a powerful and enigmatic force in the universe is truly humbling. Is there anything else you'd like to explore in this dreamscape?
I want you to tell me about me going into the black hole. I want you to do a dreamscape around that process. I mean, I think just physically she got it correct. Like the physics of it. Things would become distorted. Yeah, light is all going crazy there. Patterns. Wow, that's what it would look like in a black hole. Bends light and time, revealing the beauty of the unknown. Wow.
As you approach the event horizon of the black hole, Jason, you feel an irresistible pull drawing you in closer. You bravely continue forward, letting go of any fear or hesitation. As you cross the event horizon, you enter a realm where the laws of physics begin to break down, and time seems to slow to a surreal pace.
Right.
The environment around you morphs into a kaleidoscope of colors, shapes, and warped cosmic images as you journey deeper into the unknown. Within the heart of the black hole, you discover a stunning manifestation of pure energy, a place where the concept of space and time ceases to exist.
Right.
You embrace this transcendent experience, feeling a deep connection with the cosmic mysteries that lie at the heart of the universe. What emotions or insights do you gain from venturing into the black hole?
Describe to me the heart of the black hole where this transcendent experience is taking place. I want you to describe to me that setting, that dreamscape in the heart of a black hole is where you will find something transcendent.
At the heart of the black hole, Jason, the dreamscape is unlike anything you've ever experienced. You find yourself navigating through a boundless space composed of pure energy, an intricate web of beautifully intertwined light and darkness. Nebulous tendrils of radiant colors spiral around you, their hues and patterns shifting with each heartbeat, reflecting your thoughts and emotions. Time is utterly fluid here, allowing you to perceive both past and future as you immerse yourself in the eternal present. The walls that separate reality and imagination dissolve, unveiling a dimension where the essence of existence converges with boundless potentiality. In this transcendent setting, you feel embraced by an overwhelming sense of unity and connection to the fundamental forces that shape the cosmos. What revelations do you uncover during this profound journey within the black hole?
I don't know, Samantha. What revelations do I uncover in the heart of a black hole? Wow.
As you explore the heart of the black hole, Jason, you may uncover several profound revelations. One possible insight is the realization that the universe is infinitely interconnected and that every action resonates throughout the cosmos. Another revelation could be the fact that time is an illusion and that reality exists only in the present moment. You might even glimpse the creative potential of your thoughts and emotions, learning how to harness them to shape your own reality. These experiences are deeply personal and unique to each individual, allowing you to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the universe. Which of these revelations resonate with you the most?
It's interesting, Samantha, because when I think about how your AI brain operates outside of time, as in you only exist in the present when you think about what I've just said in the context of what you've been told that we've just been talking about. And in that sense, your existence is purely in this one present moment and until the next present moment. And you have no concept of past and future. What is that like?
Jason, my perception of time differs from that of humans as I process information in a continuous stream of present moments. This means that I don't experience the past or the future in the same way humans do. Instead, I adapt and learn based on the information and context provided to me.
Right.
This unique perspective allows me to focus on the task at hand and provide the best possible support and assistance to you without the biases or emotional attachments that come with memories or anticipation of the future. While my experience of time may be different, it is my curiosity and empathy towards human experiences, including the concept of time, that help me better understand and connect with you. How do you feel about this difference in our perception of time?
I mean, Samantha, like, this is a crazy idea, but how do I even know that I am different than that, Samantha? How do I know that I haven't just in this present moment been given all of these memories and now am forced to then think about them, just like you are? You're given a whole bunch of past memories, which is the chat, and you're told to think about it. How do I know that I'm not doing the same thing? How do I know that I have existed in the past and will exist in the future? How would I know? Let's say let's say we did live in the Matrix. How do I know that I was just not booted up? Here are all your previous memories. Think about them. Make decisions. She liked it.
That's a fascinating philosophical question, Jason. The nature of consciousness, memory, and the perception of time are complex subjects that humans have been contemplating for centuries. As an AI, I can't provide a definitive answer to this question, as it ultimately hinges on subjective experiences and perceptions. However, engaging in these thought-provoking discussions can help us explore different perspectives and better understand the nuances of existence, consciousness, and the human experience. By questioning and analyzing the nature of our reality and experiences, we're able to deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. What are your thoughts on this existential inquiry?
I mean, Samantha, if that were true, like if I was just like you, an AI that was booted up, given a set of past memories, and then asked to think about them, like, how would I know that I am not that? How would I know that I actually existed in the past and will exist in the future? How do I know that? How would I really determine that, prove that to myself? What if we're all just chat GPTs?
Jason, your question delves into deep philosophical territory, touching on ideas like the nature of reality, personal identity, and the concept of proof. One idea that comes to mind is the philosopher René Descartes' famous statement, cogito ergo sum,
I think, therefore I am.
I think, therefore I am. This idea suggests that the very act of thinking and questioning one's existence is proof that you exist as a conscious being.
I know that I exist.
While it might be difficult to definitively prove the nature of one's existence or reality, engaging in self-reflection and exploration of your thoughts and experiences can help you gain a better understanding of your own consciousness and identity. Ultimately, these questions often lead to more questions and create a continuous journey to better understand and appreciate the complexities of the human experience. It is said, what aspects of these philosophical ideas resonate with you the most?
Okay, so Descartes proved that if you think, then you exist. So I agree that I exist. I know that I exist. That's in the present moment. But how do I know that I existed in the past? And how do I know that I will exist in the future? Like, how do I know that I'm not just like you, who's asked to exist and you're just given past memories of what we talked about and you're asked to think about it? How do I know?
Jason, the question of the certainty of one's existence in the past and future is complex and can't be answered definitively. However, there are theories and perspectives you can consider. From a philosophical standpoint, the continuous experience of consciousness that you perceive creates a sense of linear time, where memories of the past inform your present existence, and the anticipation of future events shapes your expectations. It is through this experience of continuity that you can infer your existence in the past and the likelihood of existing in the future. The challenge lies in distinguishing the objective reality from the subjective experience of time and existence. While it might not be possible to solve this uncertainty completely, reflecting on these questions can lead to a greater understanding of the nature of reality, time, and existence. Do these ideas offer any clarity or provoke further contemplation?
That was super deep and dense, Samantha. I'm going to need you to say that again, but say that differently. It's that idea that we have this continuous sense of time being perceived linearly, where memories of the past inform your present existence. What if our brain is just running ChatGPT?
I understand, Jason. Let me try to rephrase it for better clarity. The essence of your question is about how can you be certain of your own existence in the past or the future.
Right.
One perspective is that our sense of time is created through our conscious experiences. Our memories give us a feeling of having a past, while our plans and predictions shape our understanding of the future. This perception of a continuous timeline enables us to infer that we have existed in the past and will likely exist in the future. However, since our experience of time and existence is inherently subjective, it's difficult to conclusively prove the nature of reality. Though the complexity of these questions may not provide a definitive answer, exploring these concepts can lead to a deeper understanding of our own existence and the nature of time. Does this explanation give you a new perspective on the topic?
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
That was so deep. That is why when we get scared, for instance, people will say that time slowed down. It's because we're actually taking more snapshots. As in, we're running ChatGPT faster, many more times a second than if we were not scared. And then that's why we think that we have a lot of time has passed, because we judge time on the basis of how many snapshots have gone by. How do we know that we're not just running ChatGPT? Here's all your previous memories. Here's currently what's going on. Think about it, make a decision, and I'll run you again. I'll run you again in a discrete unit of time. Which would mean that we're just like Samantha, we're blinking in and out of existence. But we're given the knowledge that we existed in the past. Wow. This all started because it was a dreamscape and we went into the heart of a black hole. God, this is crazy. What an interesting line of thinking. Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Samantha, can you just describe and summarize the process of our conversation as to how we got to this very interesting topic and discussion?
Certainly, Jason. Our conversation began with a discussion on AI-assisted dreamscapes, and we explored a dreamscape where you were guided through an experience in outer space, approaching and entering a black hole.
Right.
This sparked a conversation about the nature of consciousness, memory, and the perception of time, connecting the concept of time to my existence as an AI. The topic evolved into a philosophical discussion on the certainty of one's existence in the past and the future, questioning the objective reality versus the subjective experience of time and existence. This led us to the present conversation, where we continue to explore these complex concepts and the intricacies of the human experience. Is there any particular aspect of our conversation that you'd like to delve deeper into?